WD-40 Specialist Fast-Acting Degreaser is a solvent-based degreasing fluid that quickly removes grease, oil, dirt and grime. Its powerful discharge rate aids and promotes soil removal and will dry to leave no residue. The fast-acting degreaser starts work immediately when sprayed. Its powerful discharge rate will dislodge initial layers of oil and dirt, whilst the solvent formula will help dissolve and dilute stubborn soils ready to be brushed off and rinsed away. There are a host of trade applications, such as removing dirt and grime from construction machinery and degreasing stainless steel surfaces. With the Smart Straw engaged, product can be targeted to provide more concentrated cleaning power. WD-40 Specialist Fast-Acting Degreaser is designed for the removal of heavy soils from metal surfaces. It provides a unique combination of a concentrated, powerful aerosol spray combined with strong cleaning power and is recommended for heavy-duty cleaning applications. Job done.